Miss Nicole. So I'm happy to be here today because today I'm going to share new vocabularies about English. Alright, I cannot wait, so check this out. First word is whisper. So whisper basically to speak quietly but on purpose, so only someone who sits next to you or beside you, they can hear what exactly you're saying. Okay, so the example like this: my mother whispered into my ear. Well, what does it mean? So it means that your mother whispered on your ear, like very close, only you can hear, but unfortunately you couldn't understand very well what she was talking about or what she whispered about. Okay, that is. Or you can say like this: I don't understand what the children was whispered about. Okay, it means that you couldn't really understand what they whispered onto your ears. Okay, hope you understand that. Okay, word number two. Word number two is murmur. Well, have you heard about murmur before? Okay, so murmur basically like to speak quietly but often in a low continuous voice, so it's really hard to understand, right? Okay, so here's the example: he was murmuring continuously. One more time: he was murmuring continuously. In the sentence means that the person, he was murmuring about something very close, but you couldn't understand like at all, like almost zero, maybe 1%. You only hear the voice, but you didn't understand enough, right? Okay, or you can say like this: she was murmuring about something. It means that she was talking about something, murmuring about something, but you couldn't hear very well, like almost zero, right? Okay, word number three. Word number three is mumble. So mumble basically the same one, but it's a little bit different. So mumble is to speak quietly but often in a low voice, very low, and it sounds that kind of difficult to hear or difficult to understand. Okay, for example like this: well, I couldn't understand what he was mumbling about. Time: I couldn't understand what he was mumbling about. So it means that you tried to listen what he or she was trying to say to you, but unfortunately that she or he tried to make it a little harder to hear or a little harder to understand. Okay, that is. Okay, so am I mumbling, whispering, or murmuring? Okay, only you can check the answer. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you like my video. And next I'm gonna explain a lot of things about English, so please, if you have any questions or requests, please just text me or DM me on Instagram, English Troopers, or subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much, and I am so happy to be able to see y'all in my next video. So bye bye.